Hey Essentials fam, come with me to New Orleans. This trip will be a quick one, but an important one. I'll be spending some time with one of my best friends, checking out the progress of her dental practice and learning some things from her along the way. Stick around and let me know what you think about the video. I love coming to New Orleans. From the vibe, the food, and the historical sites, they always put me in a good mood. And it's even better that one of my closest friends lives here. I met Regine back in 2006 when we started dental school at Meharry Medical College. Regine, another close friend of mine named Tania, and I had been inseparable while we were there. And now out of school, we are still very close. As soon as I landed, I took an Uber over to Regine's dental office to see her, give her a pep talk, and to check things out. So I'm trying to tell Regine that it's all going to be worth it, even though she's going through this process of expanding this office. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to turn out exactly how she wants it to look. And I mean, yeah, it's looking like this right now. It's a little crazy with boxes and stuff everywhere. But
let's show everybody
we're on the other side of this. It's going to happen. It's going to be
Let's
fine.
show everybody the expansion. Please, let's show them.
Okay.
Let's go for it. Come on.
All right, let's go. This is now turned into the front desk area, reception area, because they don't have anywhere else to put it. But then going through here, we are transitioning to the office. And we have people who are here, hard at work. It's gonna be worth it in the end.
So I think I bit off a little bit more than I can chew, but I do have a great team. First and foremost, I have a guy behind me that's pushing me, telling me that I can do this. But I wish 15 years ago when we used to study and sit in the fish bowl, is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's the fish bowl.
I wish that Meharry would have been like, hey, you got to get ready for business. You got to get ready for practice. You got to get ready for employees. You got ready for floors. But you're right, bestie. I prayed for this and it has come true and it's coming to fruition. 8 years ago when I came into this practice and interviewed for the first time, I just said I knew this is going to be my office. One of my assistants, Esther, said, you used to walk around here and tell me you were going to buy this practice, you're going to buy this practice. And guess what? I bought the practice. Mm-hmm. And look how big it is.
Yep.
I mean, just look down the hallway.
We spent the next few minutes walking through the office as she pointed out all of the different changes that she was making. She was also discussing how this would impact her business in the future and how many opportunities she will be able to provide for her and her growing staff. I love this for her. That night, we needed to relax and finish catching up on our day-to-day lives, so we headed over to the Virgin Hotel rooftop where we ordered some drinks and admired the skyline. The next day, I got up to meet Regine for our spa day. Because I was staying at the Virgin Hotel, I wanted to check out the cute lobby and coffee area that morning before leaving for the day. They have such a cute modern decor and warm feel. I ordered Regine one of her favorite drinks and waited for her to pick me up.
Morning, best friend.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
What are we on our way to do?
Go to the spa.
What is this?
Chai tea latte.
Oh!
The weather was a little gloomy today, but we made our way over to the Ritz Carlton to see their expansion from their newly renovated spa. We visited this spa before in the past, but had not been there since the renovation. We were welcomed and whisked off to get settled and change into our robes. This wonderful attendant had mimosas ready for us as soon as we were done changing. We made our way to one of the relaxation areas and was given a quick tour of the amenities in different areas of the spa. We both had hour-long massages and then was given lunch by the hotel in the spa cafe. We decided to share 2 entrees and, of course, have more mimosas. What a perfect relaxing day. We've had a wonderful spa day here at the Ritz.
Had a great day.
And we are very relaxed.
Very nice and relaxed.
For now.
Mm-hmm. On to the next adventure.
All right.
See you later.
My last day here in New Orleans, I'm heading out of the hotel. I was staying in the Virgin, and I'm going to Regine's dental office to hang out with her this morning, and then I'm going to get her later. When I got to her office, she actually put me to work, which was fine. It was crazy because we had only been away for 1 full day, and you can see the progress in the office already. Her office was coming along wonderfully, and it looked amazing. This was just a testament of hard work and dedication, in that what you put your mind to and what you work hard at can definitely come to fruition. The timing may not always be when you expect it. However, it is said that everything happens when it's supposed to. I'm really grateful for this friendship, and I'm grateful for the time that I was able to spend with her at her office. Before taking me to the airport, we stopped by an embroidery store where she was having scrubs and lab jackets embroidered for her staff. What an awesome boss. She dropped me off at the airport. Now I'm heading back to Memphis. Thank God for traveling grace. Until next time, I'm Robs, and remember, stay true to what's essential to you.